Solve by graphing. We have a system of inequalities, and our job is to solve it by graphing. Happy times. Neither of these are solved for y, so that's going to be the first thing that I do. So let me take u, okay, and solve that in purple. So I have 4x minus 3y is less than 9. Let's subtract 4x from both sides. Subtract 4x from both sides. Cross u out. Drop down the negative 3y is less than negative 4x plus 9. Divide everything by negative 3. Now keep in mind, when you divide an inequality by a negative, you flip the sign. So negative 4 over negative 3 is positive 4 over positive 3. X comes along for the ride. 9 divided by negative 3 is negative 3. So now I have y is greater than 4/3 x minus 3. Let's graph that. My y-intercept is negative 3. Put a dot on negative 3 on the y-axis. My slope is 4/3, so up 1, 2, 3, 4, right 1, 2, 3. And can I do it again? Up to 1, 2, 3, 4, right 1, 2, 3. Nope. Can I go down 4, left 3? Nope. So those are my only 2 points. No big deal. I only need 2 points when I graph. Now, this is greater than, which means 2 things happen. Thing number 1 is you're not a solid line. You're a dashed line. So let's get a dashed line.
Okay.
Let's connect these dots.
You're not a solid line. Check it out.
Siri, you have become the bane of my existence. Oh, I triggered Siri on my watch too, or on my phone. Oh boy. All right, so anyway, y is greater than dash line. That's not all. We also have to shade a specific side. So we are going to shade above the line because this is greater than. So this is me shading above the line. If you think Siri is the bane of our existence, then why don't you leave a comment? Now would be a good time to do it as I spend half an hour shading this side. If you don't have an iPhone, what are you doing with your life? All right, so I shaded the above side. That one is good. So this purple inequality, all of these dots right here satisfy. So like 0, 0 works and negative 3, 4 work. But that doesn't matter because we care about shading 2 inequalities, so we have to find the other one. So let's do u in red. So I have x plus 3y is greater than 6. Same idea, subtract x, drop down 3y is greater than negative x plus 6. Divide everything by 3, everything by 3, everything by 3. No flipping of signs. So I have y is greater than negative invisible 1 over 3, x, and then 6 divided by 3 is 2. So my y-intercept is 2. Put a dot there on the y-axis. My slope is negative 1 over 3, which is up 1, left 3, put a dot, up 1, left 3, can't. I can go down 1, right 3, put the same dot there, down 1, right 3, can't. Now let's do what we did with the last one. Literally exactly the same thing that we did. It's greater than, which means dashed line. All right, so let's do that. Connect these dots. Good job by me. Also, we need to shade above this dashed line because it's greater than. So if we start shading out here in the white, we see a nice blue line. But once my blue comes into contact with yellow, magic happens. 2 primary colors meet and become green. Now, this green shaded region where the blue and the yellow meet is going to be my final answer. My solution to a system of inequalities is going to be where both of these shadings meet. And both of these shadings meet in this green area that I'll call R. So any point in this green area, like 2, 3, or negative 3, 5, is an answer, is a possible solution to this system of inequalities. You're not allowed to include the lines, though, because the dashed lines mean don't include the lines. But anything that is green is fair game, easy peasy.